In today's video, I'll show you all the controls and gestures of your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Now, of course, these controls and gestures, I'll be showing you how to use them and what to do, but in separate videos, I have shown you how to customize these controls to your own personal way. But for me, I'll just be going through the various or the most common controls and gestures for your earbuds. Now, of course, the first thing you need to do is to ensure that your earbuds are connected to your phone, and that after you connect them to your phone via Bluetooth, you install the Hey Melody app and connect them or add them to the Hey Melody app. Now, if you're using a OnePlus phone like me, you can simply go into settings as well. You don't have to use the app. And then under settings, tap on Bluetooth, select your earbuds, and then tap on earbud functions, and it should land you on a page like this. Now, this page is the same for both the Hey Melody app and the inbuilt functions for the buds on a OnePlus phone. Now, let's get right into it. So, for your earbuds, to use the controls and gestures, you have this stem that is touch sensitive. So, you have to either press and hold or tap, and this sensitive stem is going to perform the control that you set it to. Now, for me, let's say I open an app like to play music, like this one. So to play or pause, all I have to do is single press this stem just right here. So as you can see, the music is currently paused. So when I press once, it's going to start playing. And then if I use the left earbud and press again, it's either going to pause or play. Now, I recommend using the same gestures for both earbuds, or if you can set different functions for it, you have to really understand or remember that you have set that particular function. Now, let's go to a double press. And a double press for me on the left earbud goes to the previous track. So, as you can see, my track is playing. So, if I press twice here, it starts the song. And then if I double press, it goes to the previous song. Now, on the right earbud, a double press is going to go to the next song. So, like double press, and it's going to go to the next song, double press again, and it's going to go to the next song as well. Now, to adjust the volume, for me, I have set mine to slide. So you slide up from the bottom of the stem. So on either earbud, so simply play the song. As it's playing, simply slide up just like that to increase the volume, and then slide down just like that to reduce the volume. Now let's move on to the triple press. Like I said, you can go into the Hey Melody app. And for me, the triple press on the left earbud, I have set it to launch game mode. So even though I'm not in the app, if I triple press on this earbud, it's going to turn on or turn off game mode. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it has turned off game mode. And then 1, 2, 3. It turns on game mode just like that. Now for the left earbud, I customized it to launch the Google Assistant on a triple press, or the voice assistant on my phone. So if I triple press, 1, 2, 3. So as you can see, it has launched the Google Assistant. So let's try that again. So while in the home page, 1, 2, 3. As you can see, it launches my Google Assistant. Now, the other control is to press and hold. So if you press and hold the stem while you're in the Hey Melody app and while you're wearing, let's say, one of your earbuds, so I'll put one of my earbuds on. And as you can see, on a long press, I can switch between noise cancellation and transparency mode, just like that. As you can see, it's switching. So long press switches to noise cancellation, long press switches to transparency mode. Now you can also add this function as well to turn off that control altogether. Now, Now, the last control is for controlling calls, and for this, you simply need to double tap on either earbud on the stem, double tap on this part right here, and it's either going to answer or end that particular call. So as you can see, I'm receiving a call. So to answer that call, double tap, and it's going to answer the call, as you can see. And to end that call, double tap again, and it's going to end that particular call. Now, to reject a call, all you have to do is press and hold when you're receiving a call. Press and hold on this part right here, and it's going to reject that particular call. So if I receive an incoming call, for example, any minute now, so when a call starts coming in, simply press and hold just like that, and it's going to reject that particular call. Now, like I said, you can customize these options in the Hey Melody app. So simply go into the Hey Melody app and then scroll down and find earbud controls, and you should find all those controls right here, and you can customize them for the left and the right earbud. But that's basically how to use all those controls on your or all those controls for your OnePlus Nord Buds 4 Pro. Hope this video was useful. If it was, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. You leave any questions and comments down below and we'll get back to you. Until the next video, take care and God bless.